Welcome to Future Frame AI, where we dive into how technology is reshaping our world. Today, let's explore the fascinating ways artificial intelligence is transforming agriculture. AI is quickly becoming a game changer in farming, helping to address global issues like food security and climate change. By analyzing data, AI provides insights that can maximize crop productivity and ensure sustainability. One of the most exciting applications of AI is in predicting crop yields. With tools like satellite imagery and weather forecasting, farmers can make informed decisions about when to plant and harvest. This not only helps them optimize their resources, but also boosts overall production. And it doesn't stop there. Automation is another key player. Robotics and drones are now commonplace on farms, reducing labor costs while increasing efficiency. These innovations help minimize human error, leading to a more streamlined approach to agriculture. Consider farms that have successfully harnessed these technologies. They showcase the incredible potential of AI in creating sustainable food sources. In short, the impact of AI on agriculture is profound. As these technologies continue to evolve, they'll shape the future of food production for generations to come. As the global population continues to rise, now approaching a staggering 9.7 billion by 2050, the challenge of feeding everyone becomes more pressing. Farmers everywhere are tasked with the incredible job of producing more food using limited resources, all while being mindful of sustainability. Enter artificial intelligence, a game changer in the farming world. AI helps farmers grow crops more effectively and efficiently. With smart technology, they can make informed decisions about when to plant, how to care for their crops, and even predict potential issues like pests. This new tech gives them the tools to increase food production without wasting precious resources. Imagine being able to monitor soil health with a simple app or using drones to detect problems in the fields. These smart solutions not only produce better yields, but also ensure that the food we eat is safe and healthy. Looking to the future, embracing AI in agriculture is essential. It represents a smarter, more sustainable way to nourish our planet while protecting our natural resources for generations to come. Precision farming is changing the game for agriculture, making it smarter and more efficient. As the global population grows, the need for food becomes even more pressing. That's where technology steps in to help farmers work smarter, not harder. Imagine a vast field, monitored by cutting-edge satellites that map every inch for optimal growth. Drones zip overhead, capturing stunning aerial views and offering insights no human could gather as quickly. Sensors buried in the soil gather real-time data, letting farmers know precisely when crops need water or nutrients. This is how modern farming truly operates. Thanks to these innovative tools, farmers can now fine-tune their watering and fertilization techniques, targeting just the right areas to maximize yields while conserving precious resources. It's all about making the most out of every square meter, leading to less waste, higher production, and a more sustainable future. In a rapidly changing world, precision farming holds the key to solving major challenges like climate change and food security. Let's embrace this incredible transformation together. The landscape of modern agriculture is evolving. AI-powered drones are becoming essential tools, revolutionizing how farmers monitor their fields and enhance crop health. Imagine an expansive green field where above it, sleek drones glide effortlessly, equipped with cutting-edge technology. These drones utilize advanced sensors and imaging to scan vast areas quickly. Their ability to detect early signs of diseases, pests, and plant stress is remarkable. Farmers can receive real-time data that allows them to take immediate action, ensuring any potential issues are addressed before they can escalate. This means healthier crops and more productive yields across the board. Talk about a win-win situation. Early detection is crucial, and that's where the magic happens. With quick insights from the drones, farmers can apply targeted treatments. This helps reduce chemical usage and lowers costs. Plus, it boosts crop resilience and contributes to eco-friendly farming practices, making sure the environment thrives alongside our agricultural needs. Looking ahead, the integration of AI and drone technology is shaping the future of farming. With continuous advancements, farmers will have powerful tools to ensure food security and promote sustainable solutions. The sky is truly the limit for crop monitoring. In today's world, AI is becoming a game changer in agriculture. Imagine having a tool that analyzes tons of data to help farmers make smarter decisions. Let's unpack how predictive analytics is revolutionizing farming. First up, weather patterns. With the help of satellite imagery and real-time data, AI dives deep into current weather trends. This allows farmers to foresee sudden changes that could impact their crops, like an unexpected frost or heavy rainfall. By knowing what's coming, they can act quickly, ensuring their plants stay healthy and strong. Next, let's talk soil. Knowing what's going on beneath the surface is vital. AI analyzes soil moisture levels and nutrient contents, providing farmers with tailored advice on when and how to plant their seeds for maximum yield. Historical records also play a key role. By looking back at previous harvests, AI helps identify what worked, giving farmers insights for future planting seasons. In conclusion, AI-driven predictions empower farmers everywhere, guiding them to make informed choices that lead to bountiful harvests and sustainable farming practices. The future of agriculture is bright. In today's world, AI is becoming a game changer in agriculture. Imagine having a tool that analyzes tons of data to help farmers make smarter decisions. Let's unpack how predictive analytics is revolutionizing farming. First up, weather patterns. With the help of satellite imagery and real-time data, AI dives deep into current weather trends. This allows farmers to foresee sudden changes that could impact their crops, like an unexpected frost or heavy rainfall. By knowing what's coming, they can act quickly, ensuring their plants stay healthy and strong. Next, let's talk soil. Knowing what's going on beneath the surface is vital. AI analyzes soil moisture levels and nutrient contents, providing farmers with tailored advice on when and how to plant their seeds for maximum yield. Historical records also play a key role. By looking back at previous harvests, AI helps identify what worked, giving farmers insights for future planting seasons. In conclusion, AI-driven predictions empower farmers everywhere, guiding them to make informed choices that lead to bountiful harvests and sustainable farming practices. The future of agriculture is bright. The rise of automated farm equipment is transforming agriculture in exciting ways. Self-driving tractors and AI-guided harvesters are making their mark in the fields, changing the game for how we farm. Imagine a self-driving tractor, tirelessly working without the need for brakes. It moves with precision, carefully avoiding soil compaction and maximizing crop yields. This allows farmers to focus more on planning and less on manual labor, making farming a whole lot smarter and less labor-intensive. Now, let's talk about AI-guided harvesters. These incredible machines utilize advanced sensors to detect when crops are ripe and ready to be picked. They greatly reduce waste and ensure that the produce sent to markets is top-notch quality, all while lowering risks associated with traditional harvesting methods. But what does this mean for farm workers? As automated gear takes over some tasks, the job landscape evolves too. Sure, some traditional jobs might fade away, but new roles in tech management and data analysis are popping up, highlighting the importance of skills training. Overall, the future of farming is leaning into technology. By embracing these automated tools, we boost productivity and sustainability. This leads to a more effective agricultural world, creating benefits for farmers, consumers, and the environment alike. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI in livestock management. This technology is changing the game for farmers, helping them keep a close eye on their cattle and poultry in ways that were once unimaginable. AI systems now use sensors and smart analytics to monitor the health of animals. By keeping track of vital signs and behaviors, these tools can spot illness early on, which means farmers can act quickly. This proactive approach can significantly reduce livestock losses, making farms more resilient and productive. And it doesn't stop there. AI also keeps tabs on how animals behave and their eating habits. With this information, farmers can fine-tune nutrition plans to ensure their livestock thrive. Healthier animals lead to better growth rates and overall happier farms. What's even cooler is the alert system. If anything seems off, farmers get notifications right away. This kind of real-time insight transforms farming decisions, making it easier to maintain healthy livestock. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for more updates. Like this video to support us and help keep the information flowing. I want to dive into the fascinating world of greenhouse automation. It's incredible how far agriculture has come, transforming the way we grow food. Intelligent systems are now leading the charge, making it easier to cultivate plants with less effort. So, how does this work? AI plays a vital role in managing everything from temperature and humidity to lighting. These smart systems constantly watch the greenhouse environment, adapting in real time to create the best possible conditions for each plant. Imagine a little assistant adjusting the thermostat or turning on lights exactly when needed. Pretty neat, right? Now let's talk benefits. By adapting in real time, these systems boost energy efficiency and save water, all while keeping our plants thriving and healthy. This means sustainable farming is within reach, helping to reduce agriculture's carbon footprint and ensure we have plenty of fresh food. Looking ahead, the future of AI in greenhouses seems bright. With emerging technologies on the horizon, we're bound to see even greater efficiencies, paving the way for smarter, responsive farming to meet our growing food demands. AI is really changing the game in agriculture. Imagine a world where farmers can connect seamlessly with distributors. It's happening. Modern technology is transforming how food moves from farms to our tables, making it easier than ever for these vital links to work together. How do they do this? Well, AI platforms are helping farmers and distributors communicate in real time. This means farmers can share updates about their crops, while distributors can coordinate shipments more efficiently. It's all about keeping everyone in the loop and moving things along smoothly. But that's not all. AI also helps farmers predict demand. By analyzing trends and what people are buying, farmers can adjust their production to match. This means no more guessing games and less chance of overproducing. Just smart farming. With these advancements, food waste is becoming a thing of the past. Better inventory management means fresher food reaches consumers, and our planet benefits too. In summary, AI is revolutionizing the supply chain, ensuring that from farm to table, everything works in harmony for a sustainable future. Agricultural technology is evolving at a rapid pace. In this segment, let's dive into how weeding bots, planting bots, and fruit picking robots are not only helping farmers tackle labor shortages, but also making farming more precise and efficient. First up, we have the weeding bots. These clever machines are designed to spot and remove weeds while leaving crops intact. With advanced imaging and smart algorithms, they can tell the difference between a pesky weed and a valuable plant. This means farmers can reduce their use of herbicides, which is great for the environment and leads to healthier crops. Next, let's talk about planting bots. These little wonders are changing how seeds get into the ground. They ensure seeds are placed exactly where they need to be, making the most of every inch of farmland. By automating this critical task, farmers can boost their productivity and focus on other important work. Lastly, we have the fruit picking robots. They're stepping in to help solve labor shortages in farms. With their gentle, precise movements, these robots can harvest fruits without causing damage. Working tirelessly for hours, they help meet the growing demand for fresh produce while making farming operations more efficient. In conclusion, agricultural robots are truly reshaping the farming landscape. By making processes more efficient and sustainable, they are paving the way for a bright future in agriculture. Artificial intelligence is making waves in agriculture, and it's pretty exciting. It's reshaping how we farm, making the process not just more efficient, but also a lot more eco-friendly. One of the standout benefits is the reduction in pesticide use. By analyzing crop health and predicting pest problems, AI helps farmers apply exactly what they need. No more, no less. This smart approach minimizes harmful chemicals in our environment, which is great for our soil and water. Next, let's talk about better land rotation practices. AI steps in here too. With its ability to evaluate soil conditions and crop performance, farmers can decide the best times and types of crops to plant. This means healthier soil, a boost in biodiversity, and ultimately better yields. Finally, AI contributes to lowering carbon footprints. By enhancing sustainable practices, we're taking meaningful steps toward combating climate change, ensuring our planet stays healthy for future generations. Together, let's embrace smart farming for a sustainable future. As we wrap up, let's quickly revisit the innovative technologies that are transforming the agricultural landscape. We started with smart irrigation systems that not only save water, but also help farmers deliver just the right amount of moisture to their crops. With the added power of drone monitoring, farmers can see their fields from above, making informed decisions to boost productivity and sustainability. Next, we examined AI livestock tracking, a game changer for managing animal health and productivity. Coupled with greenhouse automation techniques, these advancements create the perfect growing conditions throughout the year, ensuring that we produce fresh and healthy food. We also highlighted agricultural robots that help with everything from planting to harvesting, saving time and reducing labor costs. Plus, predictive farming technologies harness data to forecast yields, enabling farmers to plan better and reduce waste. In conclusion, these advancements illustrate a brighter future for food production that is smarter, scalable, and sustainable. By fully embracing tech, we can ensure food security and foster a healthier planet for generations to come. Today, we're diving into the impressive ways artificial intelligence is changing our world, everything from the soil in our fields to the screens we look at every day. First up, let's talk about agriculture. Imagine farmers equipped with AI tools analyzing soil conditions and predicting weather patterns. This smart technology helps them make better choices, leading to bigger harvests and less waste. Not only does it increase crop yields, but it also encourages sustainable methods, ensuring our planet stays healthy while we enjoy fresh food. Now, shifting gears to content creation, AI is a game changer. Creators are using AI to whip up ideas and streamline tasks like script writing or video editing. This means more time for creativity, allowing them to focus on storytelling and bring us even better content. It's amazing how these tools help balance quality and efficiency in such a vibrant field. So, what's next for AI? The possibilities are endless. As this technology grows, it will help us tackle global challenges and improve our daily lives in ways we can only imagine. If you enjoyed this glimpse into AI and its impact, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Future Frame I, and tap the bell for updates on our next exciting topics.